Hey friends, have you ever wanted to make your own animated GIFs for your chats or social media? Well, I found the easiest way to do it using Canva, and it's a total game changer. Whether you want to create something fun for your stories or add a little flair to your posts, Canva makes it super simple, no need for fancy software. Just follow a few easy steps and you will have your own personalized GIFs in no time. Let me show you how. It's seriously that easy. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video. I hope everything's doing well firstly, and in today's video I will show you step by step how to create a GIF using canva.com. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So firstly, it's just discovering what is Canva before getting started and signing up with this website. So okay, Canva is basically the super easy online design tool where you can create all kinds of cool stuff like social media posts, presentations, posters, and more. It's perfect for anyone, even if you don't have a background in design. Now, here is the fun part. You can also make animated GIFs on Canva. It's super simple. Just pick a design, add some animations, and boom, you have got your very own GIF to share with friends. Trust me, it's way easier than you think. Alright, so let's just come back to the top right. You'll find here two buttons, one of signing up and one of login. I don't have it here because I already have a profile in canva.com, and here we have how you can get started. I'll just link your email address and your password, then you'll find this page as you can see, and here we have how you can start and create your GIF using canva.com. Alright, so let's just click on our search your content to get started and create a GIF. You have just to search for GIF like that, or you can just here click over create a design, and you have just to select here custom size, and then you have to select width and the height and also the units, and you get started by choosing the units, inches or millimeters or centimeters. Then you click over create new design and you get started. All right, so right now I will just show you the other method, which is this one. I will just search for GIF. Right, so let's just scroll down and then we'll click over seal. Here we have our various templates as you can see. Right now we'll just select one of these templates. As you can see in the top left, we have here 893 templates. You have just to select one of this. So for example, if we scroll down, we'll find the various templates, which the pro one and the free one. We'll just right now select the filters. For example, if it's related to the business, such as document presentation with posts, flyers, prototypes, and other things, or social media as well, such as Instagram, TikTok videos. We have education as well, video, and also we have marketing here, or print products. Then we have cards and invitations as you can see. Then we have here select the style, the theme, the language, feature, grade. Then we have subject, topic, the price. I will select the free one. Then about the color, I will select the white one. Then I will click over apply, and this is the kind of filters that I select. Here we have two, and here we have it right now. I will just select one of this. I will select for example this one because I will do a GIF related to the birthday as you can see, or the GIF or of the birthday. All right, so let's just waiting for other page, which is this one. I will just delete firstly those things I don't like it, so I will just delete it like that. And also with this one I will delete it, and I will just keep this one, and then I will just modify all these things, such as this one. I will just delete the background firstly. I will select my background, or I will just add here the background and upload. You can just upload the files here, or you can just here click over here firstly and you upload it from your computer. All right, firstly I will select the background. I think it's better, for example, if it's this one or this one as you can see. So let's just select in one of this background. We'll select this one, is better. All right, so right now we'll just go to the elements and they will search for birthday like that, birthday, birthday like that, and then you'll find this page or this examples, and we'll just select here videos as you can see. Then I will just select here one of this. For example, I will select this one as you can see. Then I will modify the size as well as you can see right now, and then I will add here other things. I will show you how you can do that as you can see. All right, so here we have it right now. Let's just see it, and about here you can just right now modify these things that you want. For example, here we have 5 seconds. I think it's good. Right now I will just click over here and I will search for the logos of per day. Let's just go to the graphics right now, and we'll just add something here, such as, for example, let's just select one, and right now let's just select in one of this. So let's select in this one as you can see. I'll put it here and at top, and here we have it right now, and it can get better like that. Then I will add here this one. I'll modify the size of this one right now, and I'll put it like that. And here we have it right now, as you can see, and I'll put it in the middle. All right, so we have it right now. And the thing that we need is just a text with happy birthday, right? I will just put it right now, heal this one here, and right now we'll just go to the text, and I will click over at the hidden, or I will add choose here add a subhidden. It's better, I think. But this one I will delete it. Then I'll put this one here, and I modify also the color. I will select here the white one because it's clear, that's why I will select this one. And I will select bold. About the size, I will select, I think this one is better. I will select here 50. Then I will just here delete this one, and I will add happy birthday, happy birthday, like that, birthday. And right now here we have it, as you can see, and here we have it how it looks right now. I'll put this one in the middle. Right now here we have it in the middle, and here we have my old GIF. I will just click over here in the top right of how GIF how it looks right now, and here we have it. We have it 5 seconds of this GIF. I will just right now add other things if I want, for example drawing, product, and application as well. And also if you want to add application, as I said, and if you want to ask Canva for something, you have just to click over here and you ask Canva how you can just, if you find any problems right now, right? So we have here, if you want to zoom in and zoom out, then we have want to make it scroll view, create a view, then we have here preview, and here we have it right now. If you want to add, for example, you don't like this template, you have just to click over designs and do search, which have just to search for GIF, right? And here we have the template that we found right now, right? Also, if you did a mistake, you have just to click over here to undo and come back, and also you have just right now to click over here to see your GIF how it looks right now. And also if you want to record yourself on your template, you have just to go to upload and you start recording yourself by clicking over record yourself, and you click over record and you start getting started with that, right? So here we have how it looks. You have just right now to get started to record yourself, and you click over down and you click over save and exit in the top right, and if you want to just leave, you have just to click over in the top left exit studio without saving, right? And here we have it right now. So this is it for this video, guys. And right now you have just to click over share in the top right, and you have to select here firstly download, and you select here the option of GIF, as you can see, and here we have it right now. All right, so also we have the other options. You can just click over CO from a public view, template link, prison card, copy the link, save to folder, and other things. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.